Every day, millions of tons of waste are generated across the world, and the majority of it ends up in landfills, not because we lack solutions, but because we lack systems. Improper waste segregation remains one of the biggest barriers to effective recycling and sustainable waste management. This is our solution, an automated smart waste segregation system designed to classify and sort waste into three categories: dry, wet, and metal, without any manual intervention. Manual waste segregation is inefficient, unhygienic, and largely inconsistent. In most households and institutions, waste is discarded into a single bin, making downstream recycling and composting extremely difficult. Our project addresses this gap by automating the segregation process at the point of disposal, using sensor-based detection and microcontroller logic to route each piece of waste to its correct bin accurately and in real time. The system is built on an Arduino-based microcontroller platform, which serves as the brain of the entire operation. Three types of sensors work in coordination to detect the nature of the waste. A moisture sensor identifies wet waste such as food scraps and organic matter by detecting the presence of moisture content above a defined threshold. An inductive proximity sensor detects metallic waste, such as cans, wires, and foil, by sensing the electromagnetic properties unique to metals. Any waste that does not trigger either of the above sensors is classified as dry waste, including paper, plastic, and packaging material. Based on the sensor readings, the Arduino processes the input and activates the corresponding servo motor or actuator to direct the waste into the appropriate bin. Let us now walk through a live demonstration of the system. Place a fruit peel or damp organic material on the input tray. The moisture sensor registers a high moisture value. The Arduino processes this signal and activates the actuator, directing the item into the wet waste bin. Place a metal can or aluminum foil on the input tray. The inductive proximity sensor detects the metallic object. The system immediately triggers the corresponding actuator, routing it into the metal waste bin. Place a plastic wrapper or paper on the input tray. Neither sensor is triggered. The Arduino defaults to the third classification and the item is directed into the dry waste bin. The entire process from detection to segregation takes place within seconds, with no human input required beyond placing the waste on the tray. This system has meaningful real-world applications across a range of settings: households, schools, corporate campuses, and public spaces. By automating segregation at the source, it significantly improves the quality and efficiency of downstream recycling. Wet waste can be directed to composting, dry waste to recycling facilities, and metal waste to dedicated scrap processing, all without contamination between categories. The system is low-cost, compact, and scalable. The use of an Arduino platform ensures that it can be replicated and deployed at minimal expense, making it accessible even in resource-limited environments. Waste management is not just an environmental issue, it is a systems design problem. Our smart waste segregation system demonstrates that with the right technology, even complex challenges like waste sorting can be automated, standardized, and made universally accessible. Thank you for watching this demonstration. We hope this project contributes in a small but meaningful way toward a cleaner and more sustainable future.